Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video very important video. So without any delay, so you just like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. This video is very rare videos is available in the YouTube. That is the one of the video is I'm making today because most of the candidates will be knowing about the Google patterns. In a Google, they are providing Accenture patterns and cutoffs and all. But this video, last year, there is a most of the candidates like 50 to 100 members is placed through our page and support. So we are taking live question patterns, cutoffs, and how to get the offer letter and the joining. So this video is definitely helpful. So like this video and start. So I'll give you 5 seconds to like and subscribe. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let's get started today's video without any delay. So yeah, previously our students will be placed in the at Accenture, so they are also working and getting the experience also different domains. And there is like last year around you can see 27th November 2024, most of the candidates will be get the joinings as well. So you can observe one thing, there is a 60 days time to get the joining Accenture. So in 19th August 10 o'clock, the first step round 1 aptitude and coding assessment will be completed. This candidate Ramya already placed the Accenture, we are helping. So Ramya 19th August completed the exam, and remaining interviews will be completed on the September. Remaining 19th August exam, and after that the interviews will be completed in the September month. Okay, so that is the process. You can observe 19th August, September, October, November. The joining will be came 27th November 2024. So you can observe the time period around 60 days to get the offer letter, and joining will be around 3 months. Okay, we just calculate like that. So this is the process for the joining process. So now today important video, mock assessment will be there for the candidates who are receiving the mock assessment. So firstly you need to complete the mock assessment. There is a few changes for this year, like there will be the game based aptitude related, like 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, like these are the some game based aptitudes also there in the first step of the round. So I'll tell you step by step process, this year updated pattern and all. And most of the candidates will be asking, sir, is there any SQL or HTML? There is no HTML and SQL. So I'll show you the complete live pattern. Okay, so firstly I'll just take the rough analysis for getting the Accenture job through this process. So firstly, mock test. So you can see mock test is the first round. That is it is completely mandatory important mock test. And also final test was like final test slot mails will be expected this Sunday. Okay, this Sunday or Saturday exams will be happen, but most of the candidates will be receiving in this week or next week, but confirm this week or next week exams will be completed. Okay, because whenever the mock assessment test will be out within 3 to 4 days, the slot mails also release. So you need to check your mails, even spam mails also every day. Okay, so that is the mock test, that later final assessment slot mails. And next the mock assessment test will be 20 minutes of time you need to complete the mock assessment. Okay, so there is a sample test and also slot confirmation mails, and before 24 hours of your final assessment you will get the final assessment guidelines mail. Okay, so that is the step by step 4 steps. And next I'll show you the clearly. So slots, you will get the slots like this. Okay, I'm already make the slots related video in previous, you can check if you want. So the step 1 will be 40 minutes of exam, the behavioral assessment, cognitive assessment. The behavioral assessment is complete personality test, like if you are joining the company, like how you behave, how you treat your employees, and how you treat your friends, colleagues, and how you like behavior during the project. These all are the like personality questions. There is a nothing cut off in this personality exam test. It's a completely based on your opinion. Okay, so coming to the game based puzzles, there is a numerical quotations, like equations like 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 2, like 2 divided by 2, like this. There is a game based puzzles also there. So it's a simple, there is a no difficulty in that. So it's a simple process. So you need to attempt the that game based aptitude puzzles also. So the first step will be completed to get the dream job. Well, the first step will be completed. Later you will redirect to next round of assessment, that is a technical assessment, that is a technical test. Okay, the same duration you can observe. The first 40 minutes of exam is step 1, and 45 minutes of exam will be step 2. The overall time will be 90 minutes, 90 questions expected. Okay, 90 minutes, 90 questions expected. So that is the step like step 1, step 2, same test. So you can see the total 45 minutes of time to complete the technical assessment. So here technical assessment will be common applications, MS Office, pseudocodes, networking and cloud and security, and basic programming concepts. Okay, so I'll show you the real-time questions, just a minute. So here is the abstract reasoning, and these are the abstract reasoning questions. These are the live Accenture question picks, but there is every questions will be available in the previous batches, but there is a lengthy video. That's why I'm not putting all the questions, but I'll make separate videos for the section wise. But you need to support, like and subscribe, that's enough. Because if the like if your support will be more, then the confidence to make more videos. Okay, it's a free of cost, so just like and subscribe. So these are abstract reasoning type of questions. You need to identify right block. Okay, so next, yeah, you can see there is a campus hiring. There is a networking and security questions. So you need to attempt the networking and questions also, because in the step 2 process, the fourth point was networking, and third point was pseudocodes, and second point was MS Office, the common applications. So don't be panic, the all questions will be 90 questions. You need to maintain cutoff each and every section. Okay, so yeah, these are the real-time questions, and you can see the common application type of questions will like this, like how can you create a shape in a Microsoft PowerPoint that just a minute, it's not clear, resembles the that one show in the image given below. Okay, so you can choose the right option and you can put the answer. Okay, these type of questions will be chances. I'll make our section wise videos, so you need to wait for that. And also pseudocode questions. You can see what will be the output of the following the pseudocode. A is equals to 7, B is equals to 5, and C is equals to 4. Okay, while watching the video you feel okay, these are the easy questions, but while attempting the exam, it's very difficult, because the time will be running, the questions answers will be not getting, so it's so frustrating. Okay, so that's why you need to prepare if you are going to attempt your own. Okay, so there is a huge pattern, huge process, but you need to maintain 1 day of time. 1 day will be decide your life. Why? Because the 1 day the results will be declared, even test 1, step 1, step 2, every result will be declared in the same day. Okay, so that's why you need to maintain cut off every section, and you need to like maintain technical issues or technical related issues also during the exam. So finally the section step 2, all the sections will be attempted and you are going to submit. If you're receiving this message like congratulations, you are eligible for the next step, finally you are reaching the steps will be completed, that is step 1 and step 2. It's a very important. Why? Because if you clear this round, then you will redirect to coding assessment. Okay, so congratulations, you are eligible for the next step. Then you can click on the take me to the next test, that is the coding assessment. So the coding assessment will be the time only 60 minutes, 3 coding questions for this year. Previous year there is a 2 coding questions, but it's a 60 minutes of time, but they are giving the 3 coding questions. Maybe they are offering high packages if the candidates will be perform, but I don't know. But they are clearly mentioned 4.5 LPA previously, but there is a high chances for getting the more package if based on your performance also during the interview. Okay, so the timeline will be 60 minutes, 3 coding questions, Java, Python, as per your preferred language. You need to attempt the coding assessment. Okay, after this you are getting the live coding questions. Just a minute, you can see the live coding questions. They are giving the example 1, example 2. You need to pass all the test cases. You need to write the code. You can click on the compile and test, and you need to pass all internal test cases. Then you can submit the code if it is pass the all test cases. Okay, so that is the coding assessment. If you clear this coding assessment, then you will get the message like congratulations, you are clearing the coding assessment. All the best for you are getting the further notifications for the communication assessment. Like that you will get the communication assessment mail. So after that, finally, actually we are helping the many candidates, right? So we are getting each and every update through our page. So congratulations, you are selected for the interview. You need to book the interview slot. Okay, they are giving the link. You just click on the link, and you will redirect to interview slot mails, and you can book the interview slot. Then you can give your interview. So interview questions, interview preparation, how to clear the interview, everything will be in upcoming days. Videos will be uploaded. It will be helpful. Every day, every second, every minute is important. If you are receiving the mock assessment, and if you are going to attempt the Accenture company, definitely compared to lakhs of subscribers YouTube channels, but our channel is less subscribers. Recently we started more than less than one month, but you are getting the real-time updates, real-time selection chances very high. You can see Virtusa company as well as Cognizant company, more than 50, 60, 70, more than 70 to 100 members will be every company selection through our page. You can see in our WhatsApp groups. Definitely it will be helpful many candidates. I hope everyone is clear about the pattern and all. So in the next videos, in the next videos, you are getting the section wise pattern, section wise real time questions. If you want, you can practice those questions, but before that you need to like and subscribe for getting the more videos through our page, through our channel. So for the final step, final round, HR and technical, same interview on the same day, and step 6 will be selection, background verification, offer letter, joining. So December month already started, right? So December, January, February, within February to March you will get the MNC company employer for the Accenture. I hope everyone is selected for this company, Accenture company. It's more benefits, more chances for future company switches. Packages also very good. And yeah, I hope everyone is clear about the pattern and all. I'm praying you. I'm telling you all the best for everyone. So we are giving our best to for your preparation and all through our throughout the hiring process. I hope everyone is clear about the process and all. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So please like and subscribe and comment your opinion for this video and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.